Do you know why most people struggle with division? I'm going to show you a professional, little-known trick that will make your calculations faster and error-free for good. Even mathematicians use it. And it only takes 5 minutes to learn.
Before we start, let's meet the key players in every division problem. Dividend, the number we want to divide up. E.g., 486. Divisor, the number we are dividing by. E.g., 3. Quotient, the answer, our final result. Remainder, what might be left over at the end. The division symbol, divided by, is like a little house that brings everyone together. Part 2, step-by-step walkthrough, using 486 divided by 3. Alright, let's tackle a real problem together. We're going to solve 486 divided by 3. Step 1, set up the problem. First, we write it in the long division format. We draw our division house. The divisor lives outside, and the dividend waits inside. Step 2, divide. We start from the left. We look at the first digit of the dividend, 4, and ask, how many times does 3 go into 4? The answer is 1, because 3 times 1 is equal to 3, which is less than 4. We write that 1 on top, above the 4. Step 3, multiply and subtract. Now, we multiply our answer, 1, by the divisor, 3 1 times 3 is equal to 3. We write that 3 below the 4 and subtract. That gives us a difference of 1. Step 4, bring down. Now comes the fun part. We bring down the next digit in the dividend, which is 8. We write it next to the 1, making the new number 18. Step 5, repeat the process. We do it all again. Ask, how many times does 3 go into 18? The answer is 6, exactly. Because 3 times 6 is equal to 18. We write the 6 at the top, next to the 18. Now, multiply again, 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Write it below the 18 and subtract. We get 0. Step 6, bring down the last digit. We still have one digit left in the dividend, the 6. We bring it down. Since our remainder is 0, it just becomes 6. Ask, how many times does 3 go into 6? The answer is 2. We write the 2 at the top with the rest of our quotient. Multiply, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Write it down and subtract. Step 7, the final answer. There are no more digits to bring down, and our remainder is 0. We're done. Our final answer, the quotient, is 162. Part 3, summary and key tip. You did it! See? Long division isn't magic, it's just a process. There are 4 steps we repeat. Divide. Multiply. Subtract. Bring down. A great way to remember these steps is with the acronym DMSB, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Or you can remember the phrase, dad, mom, sister, brother. And remember, sometimes you'll have a remainder, which we can write as a fraction or a decimal. We'll cover that in a future video. I hope this video helped you feel more confident about long division. If you have any questions, or if there's another problem you'd like me to solve, drop it in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss one of our lessons. Today's challenge, solve 845 divided by 5 using the steps you learned today and write your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy learning. Bye.